Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video, we will look at some of the best drawing tablets the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XP Pen Artist 12. The XP Pen Artist 12 earns our top spot because of its compatibility, customization, and reasonably affordable price point. The touchscreen display, a 1920 by 1080 HD IPS display, isn't the highest resolution available. Still, with 72% NTSC color gamut accuracy, it focuses on reproducing your work with as much precision as possible. What's great about having an 11.6-inch display inside your drawing tablet is that you don't need to look at your other screen while drawing on a separate surface. You're drawing on the device where your lines and colors appear. This makes it feel like you're creating art in the real world. The passive hexagonal pen, which feels very pencil-like, allows for 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity to get the hand-sketched feel in your work. And because the pen is passive, it's not another device that needs to charge. In addition, the Artist 12 gives you a full high-touch bar you can program to fulfill commands on your computer. XP Pen recommends mapping it to the zoom in/zoom out feature, and you can harness 6 different assignable shortcut keys. This makes it less of a drawing-only tablet and more of a full-featured control surface for your design programs. The device is compatible with Windows 7, 8, or 10 in 32 or 64-bit, and Mac OS X as old as version 10.10. Number 2. Wacom One. Many big-name tech brands are going the way of attainable when it comes to pricing, and you'll find the Wacom One alongside the Microsoft Surface Go and the entry-level iPad. This 6.0x 3.7-inch tablet measures only 0.3 inches thick and has a durable plastic build with rounded edges. This makes it a joy to use and ensures it can be tossed into your laptop bag for travel. The pressure-sensitive stylus only offers 2,048 levels of pressure sensitivity, akin to the rest of the budget tablets on the market, and at 2,540 lpi of sensor density, it isn't the most accurate tablet out there. But what the One lacks in raw specs, it makes up for in ease of use and affordability. It connects via USB, works right out of the box with Windows and Mac operating systems alongside all your favorite design apps, and this package comes with a premium-feeling stylus at no extra charge. Number 3. Gaomon PD1560. The Gaomon PD1560 boasts a big, bright, 15.6-inch display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. In some ways, it rivals the Wacom options, but because it doesn't feature a touch wheel or flashy multi-touch, we think it's a more suitable rival with our top pick from XP Pen. Because of the 72% color gamut accuracy and the 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from the active pen, it does have many of the features of the Artist 12. What makes it different is that it offers 10 assignable function keys, lined up in a column on the left edge of the device, which is more than the Artist 12. However, you'll have to pay nearly $100 more for this device. The IPS display's brightness and the extra function keys might be enough for you to spend that higher price tag, but the awkwardly wide form factor, different from something like the less sprawling Cintiq 15, makes it a device that will take up a lot of space on your desk. There's no denying that this is an excellent peripheral with truly impressive pen specs. Our reviewer, Jeremy Lokkanen, found the pen performed flawlessly during testing, although he noted that the side buttons could be more pronounced. Number 4. Wacom Intuos Pro. The Intuos Pro is Wacom's flagship line of drawing peripherals. This medium-sized device is the Goldilocks of the lineup, giving you an 8.7x 5.8-inch active surface area but occupying only a 13.2 by 8.5 inches footprint. This means it won't be quite as cumbersome at your desk setup but will still offer a lot of real estate for work. It's an excellent tablet for editing with Photoshop or drawing with Illustrator. Some other impressive features are the 8 dedicated function buttons you can assign to programs on the fly, the assignable touch wheel for navigating programs more fully, and even the hand recognition switch that allows the tablet to respond to gestures much like a trackpad would. Of course, it's Wacom's Pro Pen 2 that brings with it the most notoriety. This active pen provides a whopping 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for excellent sketching precision. Wacom has also baked in a latency time that is 4 times faster than the first generation Pro pen and has even included tilt support for sketching more natural, fading lines. It also includes Bluetooth in addition to wired connectivity. The whole package works with the latest operating systems and design software. Though it isn't the most affordable tablet, it's a pretty reasonable price for a creative professional.